we learned that how we calculate portfolio risk and return of 30 firms using live data in Excel 365. We basically use this formula, weight transpose multiplied by returns. These are basically average returns of stock that we will calculate with the help of live data. And then we have portfolio variance where we use two multiplication function of Excel. First, we transpose weights multiplied by variance covariance matrix, and that is multiplied by variance. To get this variance covariance matrix, we basically use this formula, the formula that I am showing you. Just a minute. Yes, this one. First, we calculate deviations. Deviations are calculated. We subtract every return from each value of range of returns, and then we transpose it multiplied by deviations and divided by number of observations. Like in this case, we have 6 returns. Now let's start. First, we need ticker list. Here is a ticker list. Just copy it. These are 30 stocks, and then uh, just transpose it. Now, use basically we will use stock history function equal to stock history, then ticker list, first element of Apple company, then start date that should be fixed, and then end date again fix it. Then we need, let's say, monthly data with no header, and we need just closing price. So we select one option and close it and press enter. Now here you can see that we have 7 observation. The first observation would be used for calculation purpose. Now just copy it to next cells. Here we have these 30 companies. Uh, you can see that this is a matter of seconds that you have basically get this data. Now for return, we will use log function, ending price divided by beginning price, and just copy it down. And then we calculate its average as well. Here is the average. Now select these 6 returns as well as every return and copy it for remaining 29 companies. Now, these are returns because we need variance covariance metrics to calculate portfolio variance. So we calculate deviations. How deviations are calculated? Equal sign, return of company minus average return. Now place a dollar sign before this D8 cell and let's check what happened. Now copy it to the next cell. No, it is not copied. We should place dollar sign here. Now copy to the next cell. Now it is okay. Now copy it down. Now these we have 6 deviations for stock one. In the same way, we require these deviations for 100 stocks. Now, for verification purpose, press F2. It's okay. Yes, yes, it is all okay. It means that we have used right formula. Now, to get variance covariance matrix, we need this one. Means first we transpose these deviations, that is represented by small r, and multiplied by simple these deviations, and divided by number of observation. So we have we have 6 observation, so it should be divided by 6. Now we will write formula here for older version of Excel. We should allocate space because we have 30 stocks, so we should have 30 raised to power to 900 cells. But for this latest version Excel 365, we can write formula here just in one cell. Equal sign, m mult, and then transpose of these deviations, that is multiplied by again these deviations, and it should be divided by number of observation, that is 6, because we have 6 returns for each stock. And now look at that, we have these 900 cells. To calculate portfolio return, we need the average return as well as weights. Here we will write average return. Here we had already calculated these average return. Just transpose it, equal to transpose. Now we have average returns. Now we can calculate portfolio risk as well as portfolio return. But for that purpose, we need weights. You can assign equal weights here. We will use random weights by using rand function, equal to rand. It will give value between -1 and 1. Sorry, it will give the value between 0 and 1. Now, we have these random numbers and just sum it, because sum of it should be equal to 1. To get sum of it equal to 1, we divide each weight by its sum. So this one divided by sum of weight and fix it F4. Now, just double click. Now we have these weights and check whether weights are equal to 1 or not with the help of sum function. Yes, it is equal to 1. Now we have the prerequisite to calculate portfolio return and portfolio risk with the help of matrices. So first we calculate portfolio return here. Weight should be transposed and then multiplied by average returns. So here these are weights so we use mult function, and then first we transpose weights. These are weights, and then it should be multiplied by average returns. Here we have these average returns. Now this is our portfolio return, that is 0.38%. Now, for portfolio variance, we apply this formula. Here we use two multiplication function because weight transpose are multiplied first by variance covariance matrix, and the answer of this is multiplied by weights. So here we will use mult function and again mult function, and then transpose function. Transpose of weights. Here we have weights, and then it should be multiplied by variance covariance matrix, and the answer of it is multiplied by again by weights. So here again we have these weights, and now just press enter. Now portfolio risk is here, variance is 0.0048, convert into percentage. Now we should take its under root to get its portfolio standardization. PowerPoint 5. So it is basically a risk of portfolio. So you have seen that within few minutes, we have calculated portfolio risk as well as portfolio return using 30 stocks data and live data in Excel. Thank you very much for watching this video.